everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with OpenAI, which backs $200 million US defense contract. Meta appoints Arun Srinivas as India head. Meta and Oakley tease 20th June smart glasses reveal. WhatsApp first ad feature is here. Oppo highlights AI breakthrough at CVPR. Meta's AI deal with Scale AI could cost it big clients. And finally, about Reddit, which rolls out AI-powered ad tools for brands. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the full form of CCTV, and the answer is closed circuit television. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. Name the AI model powering GitHub Copilot. Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Let's start with the news today. In a major win for AI and defense integration, OpenAI has secured a massive $200 million contract with the United States Department of Defense. Collaboration aims to harness the power of artificial intelligence to bolster national security systems, focusing on data analysis, decision-making support, and possibly even strategic simulations. While specific project details remain classified, sources close to development hint that OpenAI's advanced language models will be deployed to interpret vast amounts of military data, automate reporting, and enhance mission efficiency. This partnership signals a shift in how government are beginning to trust and embed generative AI in critical infrastructure. With this deal, OpenAI joins a growing list of tech firms like Palantir and Anduril that have bridged the gap between Silicon Valley and military strategy. Implications of this deal are twofold. It highlights rising commercial value of AI and sparks discussion about ethical boundaries, control, and transparency when using the AI. So as global powers race towards AI supremacy, this contract puts US ahead in military-grade AI adoption. Next, we have Meta, which has named Arun Srinivas as the new head of its India operations, marking a strategic leadership shift aimed at strengthening the company's regional business and regulatory engagement. Srinivas, who previously served as Director of Ads Business for Meta India, steps into the role at a crucial time when the company is navigating the regulatory scrutiny and competition from local and global platforms. With over 2 decades of experience across tech, FMCG, and e-commerce, Srinivas brings a unique blend of operational insight and business acumen. Now, his appointment is expected to focus on expanding Meta's advertising revenue in India, improving the relationship with policymakers. India remains one of the Meta's largest markets in terms of user base across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. But it also poses challenges, including privacy laws, content moderation, and about rising competition from Indian startups. Srinivas' elevation reflects Meta's intent to double down on India's digital growth potential, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, where mobile-first users are rapidly increasing. His leadership could shape how Meta balances innovation with compliance in the world's most vibrant internet economy and potentially steer the next chapter of its India success. Moving on, tech meets fashion once again as Meta and Oakley have dropped a teaser for an upcoming smart glasses announcement set for 20th June. While neither company has revealed specific product details, the teaser hints at the next generation version of Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glass with a sportier twist under Oakley's branding. This collaboration is expected to push the boundaries of wearable technology by combining Meta's AI and augmented reality capabilities with Oakley's premium design aesthetics. Insiders speculate that the new device could feature enhanced voice controls, real-time translation, fitness tracking, even live streaming. So as Apple Vision Pro and other AR/VR devices dominate the headlines, this wearable collaboration may offer a lighter, everyday alternative that does not require a headset. With the launch just days away, all eyes quite literally are on Meta and Oakley to see if they can finally crack the code for mainstream smart glasses. Next, we have WhatsApp, which is finally taking its first step into advertising, but in a way that might surprise you. Rather than throwing traditional ads into your personal chats, Meta has decided to test a subtle new approach through a feature called AdPlay. However, it won't be visible to everyone. The new feature will initially appear in the Status tab and Business chats, where business can promote products or share short sponsored updates. Think of it as similar to Instagram Stories ad, but tailored for WhatsApp, more private and utility-focused environment. These ads won't interrupt conversations. Users will have the option to skip or mute them, which indicates Meta is trying to balance monetization with user experience. Importantly, Meta has stated that personal messages will remain ad-free and fully encrypted. Now, the feedback could likely influence the feature, which evolves in the future. Now, this move comes as WhatsApp seeks to generate more revenue without compromising its core value of privacy. Its bold experiment in making ads feel useful rather than annoying, and it could redefine how brands interact with users on messaging platforms. At the CVPR 2025, that is Conference on Computer Vision and Pattern Recognition, Oppo showcased its latest advancements in AI research, putting a spotlight on breakthroughs that could redefine mobile imaging and edge computing. Company's R&D team demonstrated several projects including AI models for real-time scene recognition, low-light photography enhancement, and efficient on-device processing. One of the standout innovations was Oppo's new AI image matting technology, which allows for near-professional background separation in photos and videos, all processed directly on device without cloud dependency. They also introduced a cutting-edge AI model trained to restore old or low-quality images, a feature that could soon be integrated into upcoming smartphone models. With competition heading up AI smartphone space, Oppo's presence at CVPR signals the intent in the forefront of AI innovation. Meta's recent decision to partner with Scale AI for its large-scale data labeling needs is turning heads. And not all in a good way. According to internal reports, this move might jeopardize Meta's existing relationship with key AI clients like Google and Microsoft. Crux of the issue lies in competitive tension. Scale AI is a growing force in generative AI space, and its closer collaboration with Meta is seen by some tech giants as a breach of trust. Google and Microsoft, both which utilize Scale AI's data services, might now reconsider their contracts with Scale's increasing favoritism towards Meta. For Meta, the deal is a part of its broader push to accelerate LLM development and AI research. The company is doubling down on building models that rival OpenAI's GPT and Google's Gemini. But its calculated risk, gaining exclusive support from a major data labeling partner, could speed up innovation, but it could also burn bridges in a tightly connected industry. The fallout could reshape the vendor-client dynamics in Silicon Valley's high-stakes AI arms race, where alliances are as important as algorithms. Finally, about Reddit, which is stepping up its advertising game with the launch of a new suite of AI-powered tools designed to help brands better connect with users through targeted discussions. These tools leverage natural language processing and machine learning to analyze millions of conversations happening across. This happens at Reddit's vast community network, which identifies trends, sentiments, user behavior patterns. AI suite includes contextual ad targeting, predictive performance analytics, auto-generated and copy suggestions, all of which aim to improve the ad relevance without being intrusive. With Reddit gearing up for IPO, increasingly competitive market, the social platforms for ad revenue, the move positions the platform as a serious player in AI advertising landscape. For brands, it's an opportunity to mine Reddit's raw, real-time conversations for more authentic and impactful connections. This is all for today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe IT Voice for all your tech updates.